I'm meeting up with my good friend, Luis Osuna, at his family's restaurant, Panama. Panama is iconic, and they're known for having some of the best desserts in all of Sinaloa. But this guava pie, I can't even begin to describe how good it is. Luis is such an amazing friend that he actually gave me the recipe. So now you can have it too. And I'll start with the crust. I have 5 ounces of Maria cookies that I already crumbled into really fine crumbs. And this is about 1 3/4 cups, 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I already melted. This is a very unexpected pie, beginning with its name, guava pie. Like, I would have never thought about a pie whose star was guava. So you just start pressing as you go around and you try to flatten it. You wanna make a wall. I'm gonna put this in the oven, 400 degrees for about 18 minutes. So I'm gonna start to make the filling, and to make this incredibly creamy filling, there's one surprising ingredient, and it is unflavored gelatin. And I have in here 1.5 teaspoons of unflavored gelatin granules. And I'm going to combine these with 2 tablespoons of water. Now here's the thing. When you mix gelatin granules with water, it's supposed to dissolve fast, but generally clumps remain. See how there's clumps in here? So this one trick to completely dilute the gelatin is very easy to do. I have hot boiling water here, and I'm gonna put it onto this plate. And then I'm going to have this bowl sit here while I get my filling going. I have 8 ounces of cream cheese, and I'm going to beat this until it's completely creamy and smooth. Now I'm going to add a cup and a tablespoon of heavy whipping cream. And then I have 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, so I beat it until it's nice and thick, but still not holding stiff peaks. And at this point, I'm gonna add the dissolved gelatin. And now I'm gonna really beat until it holds stiff peaks. So this is the consistency we want. Super fluffy, creamy filling. So now I'm gonna put it in the fridge so it can chill for at least an hour. So the topping is gonna be a guava topping, and the guavas are gonna be dressed in a simple syrup. And simple syrup is a very sophisticated term for nothing but equal parts water and sugar diluted. I have a 1/4 cup of water, a 1/4 cup of sugar. They may try to sell you simple syrup at the supermarket. So you know, it's just water and sugar. And then I'm just gonna let this sit and cool as I cut my guavas. Now let's talk about guavas. When they ripen, they go to yellow. Different from avocados. Avocados give in when you give them a gentle hold. Guavas may not give in that much, but you can smell. This is ready and this is ripe, and I wish I could describe. It smells like perfume. And I'm gonna cut them into bite-sized pieces. They have a bunch of little seeds, but then in the pulp that's in between the seeds and in the center, you get the sweetest, the most tender, the most soft part of the guava. I have about 4 cups of the guava. I'm gonna cover it with this simple syrup. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator to chill. This will be sort of like a glaze that's gonna cover this topping. This pie that I'm about to assemble is the biggest seller in Sinaloa. After you have it, you really crave it again. Decorate it with pecan. They drizzle cajeta. Sí.
don't really like guava generally, but I really like this pie.
Yeah. I think it's spectacular.